Imagine a mastermind who launched 2 channels. From ground zero, 100% organically, no external promotions. One video hits 1.8 million views in just 3 weeks. On a different channel rate in 500,000 views. Now, what's the secret behind such an extraordinary achievement? The big reveal. Wono. Find him on Twitter where he spills growth strategies. Building channels in public from zero with more than 10 years of experience in producing content. There's one of his posts shared on his Twitter, the secret he used to beat YouTube market with one video, which include 5 important steps to make viral video that we are going to cover in this video. First step, market research. YouTube is a market. Viewers are the customers, and their attention is the currency. Like any market, there's a dance between supply and demand. Market analysis is 90% passive observation and 10% action. Content. Creators should analyze the market to find the golden gap between supply and demand to succeed. But where to start? Here is the story. A video caught my eye, 3 million views and 55k subs in just a month. A rare YouTube outlier indeed. But to confirm the market gap, you need additional steps. Sometimes sudden spikes of attention are short-lived for various reasons. So it's crucial to determine if that's the case. About a month later, on the 21st of December, the next video was released. By early January, the video hit 1.1 views. Confirm a market gap. Now, let's explore another example. Visit MrBeast's channel and click on the popular video section. The $456,000 Squid Game in real life video takes the top spot. Released in November 2021, just months after Squid Game became a global phenomenon. This wasn't luck. It was strategic. Recognizing the high demand for content related to Squid Game, MrBeast's team tapped into the market gap and the video went viral. Step 2. Content strategy. We're not just creating content, we're architecting a strategy to resonate with our audience and seize market opportunities. Back to our story. The market research showed promise, but success is uncertain until your content hits the market. Their initial plan was straightforward. Design the MVP, minimum viable product, code the tools, build the map, train the AI, craft our first video. Their goal? A whopping 100k views. To maximize the impact, they targeted the audience of AI Warehouse. The key was perfect timing upload before AI Warehouse's third video release to ride the wave of attention in this market. Third step, shape a story and production. A great way to frame any topic and target a wider audience is to talk about it in a story format. Before crafting a great story starts, you should have catchy title. There are 5 key elements to every story. Should have plot, setting, characters, point of view, and conflict. Let's explain every element of story using that video. Plot. The plot is like the roadmap of the story. It's the journey that Bobby, our artificial intelligence friend, goes through from his initial training, struggles to facing unexpected challenges. The plot guides us through his evolution as a character. Setting. Think of the setting as the story's backdrop. It's where all the action happens. In our tale, there are 2 main settings: the training environment where Bobby learns and progresses, and the challenging landscapes where he embarks on the mission to save the princess. Characters. Characters are the heart of any story. Bobby, our AI hero, is the star. Point of view. Imagine. Point of view as the lens through which we see the story. Here, it's like watching a movie. The narrator gives us a front row seat to Bobby's training and adventures, providing an external view that keeps us hooked. Conflict. Conflict is the spice that keeps the story interesting. Bobby faces 2 types: internal conflict, his learning process, and external conflict. Challenges like the guard. This tension keeps us wondering, will he succeed in his mission? By understanding and using these elements, you can create a story that not only makes sense but also captivates your audience. Before we continue, you can just take 1 second to hit like and subscribe to help the channel. Imagine you're a fisherman, content creator. Every time you go out fishing, upload a video, you are using a bait thumbnail. He said that the whole video is based on genuine AI training. Basically, he watched the whole raw footages and built the storytelling around it. Most of the time, the training took way longer and he cut these parts to keep the flow of the story. It took 3 months and a total of 500h of work to make the video. Step 4. Audience retention. If your video bores the viewer, they'll click away and watch something else. So it's crucial to start your video by meeting the expectations set by the titles and thumbnails in the first 5 seconds. According to Wono, videos can be categorized into 3 formats: short form, less than 7 minutes; medium form, 8 to 20 minutes; long form, more than 20 minutes. Once you determine the video length, set a target for the average view duration of those videos. Let's move to the second step. The video recipe involves selecting key ingredients for your video, such as personality traits, humor, expressions, energy, identity, tone, style, visual, branding, and the entertainment factor. These elements create a core structure, making each video somewhat predictable. Study the analytics to understand which elements of the recipe work and continuously improve it over time. The Step 5 result and lessons. The strategy worked as intended for the recommended section. It helped this video to enter the market very quickly and grab a big portion of the attention, with high entry barrier limiting the replication of the video. Topic: video gets 500,000 views and led to channel monetization. Understanding market dynamics on YouTube is crucial for boosting your success rate. The market was huge for this topic for even small channel to succeed. So there are many untapped markets demand content creator could discover rather than staying very competitive market. If market did not like your video, learn and apply the lessons in future video. No give up. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Subscribe, like and share.